In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Monday.com board private. This process is quite straightforward and will enhance the privacy of your workspace, ensuring that only specific team members can access sensitive information. Let's dive right in. Start by opening up your Monday.com account. Once you're logged in, locate the board that you want to make private. It's crucial to be on the correct board, as changing the privacy settings will affect how it's viewed and who can see it. Navigate through your workspace to identify the board. Once you have it front and center, you're ready to move on to the next step. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice a set of 3 horizontal dots. This is commonly known as the More Options menu. Give it a click. This menu provides several options related to board settings and configurations. It's where you access additional features and controls. Now, we'll be accessing the settings for your board type. Hover over the Settings option in the drop-down menu, then move your cursor to Change Board Type. Here, you'll have various choices, and the one we're interested in is Change to Private. This option changes the accessibility of your board so that only invited team members have visibility and access to it. Once you click on Change to Private, you'll be prompted with a confirmation dialog. This is an important step, as finalizing these changes will alter how team members interact with this board. Confirm your selection by clicking on Change Board to Private. Keep in mind that once a board becomes private, only members with explicit permission can view or edit the content on it, making it an ideal choice for sensitive projects or confidential team discussions. And just like that, you've successfully made your Monday.com board private. This change enhances the security of your workspace, ensuring that your data stays within the intended audience. It's a simple yet effective way to maintain control over who sees your board information. If you're managing multiple boards, consider which ones might benefit from these privacy settings and apply the same steps to them. Monday.com makes it easy to manage privacy so that you always have control over your workspace. With this level of customization, you can feel confident that your team's information is both private and secure. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any further questions about Monday.com or need more tips on optimizing your workspace, feel free to explore more tutorials. Don't forget to like and subscribe for additional insights. See you next time.